This video shows the functions available to you on the 7-inch embedded touchscreen on the controller. This is the home screen. It will always show 6 channels at a time. The background colors show if the channel is running or stopped. Green background says it is running. Blue shows it is not running. If you click on a channel number, you will bring up the channel's settings. You can switch between the channel modes on the left. If Post Weld is selected, you can edit the recipe in the channel as shown here. To finish editing the recipe, click the End Recipe Here button. To save or load a recipe, click the Save Load button. Clicking Save Recipe will save the current recipe to the controller. To load a recipe, you first need to reload the list of available recipes on the controller. Then, select the recipe and click Load Recipe. If you switch to preheat mode, you can edit the rate and soak values here. Switching to percentage timer mode will allow you to set the power output of the channel. To set the channel as a slave, click the slave button and then the channel to slave it to. To remove the slave status, click the master button. To select multiple channels to be slaves to this one, click the Set Slaves button and select them. Returning to the home screen, you can see channel 3 and 4 are now slaves to channel 2. To unslave them, go to their settings and click the master button. Pressing the faults button will bring up the active and acknowledged faults. Press the ACK button to clear any of the current faults. You can cycle through the channels using the next and previous buttons. Clicking a channel chart button will bring up the chart for the heat cycle. You can trip the machine shunts by pressing the settings button and then pressing on the shunt trips as shown here. Thank you for watching. Please check out the rest of the video tutorials on how to use the user-friendly HeatView software, or go to heatview.ca and click on the Contact Us button if you need any more support.